Here's the news of the day. Leonardo and Petroleum Air Services have strengthened their partnership, with Petroleum Air Services becoming an authorized service center for AW-139 helicopters, enhancing support for Egypt's oil and gas industry. Bell Textron delivered a customized Bell 505 helicopter to All Motors Brazil, featuring a design matching their Lamborghini Aventador for enhanced corporate transportation. Ryan Aerospace won the Queensland Premier's Export Award in Advanced Technologies for its innovative virtual and mixed reality simulators used in global military training. Beta Technologies secured a $20 million contract to develop electric aircraft chargers for emergency response along the east and Gulf coasts, boosting healthcare access in remote areas. Essex and Hertz Air Ambulance has appointed Bill Long as its new aviation director, where he will lead aviation operations and work towards securing the charity's own air operator's certificate. Aintree Hospital's helipad, funded by the Help Appeal, has handled over 600 critical patient landings since 2017, speeding up life-saving trauma care in Cheshire and Merseyside. CAE won a $57 million contract to provide training devices for Indian Navy MH-60R Seahawk pilots and crew, boosting mission readiness. CHC do Brasil has opened a new hangar at Maricá Airport to support 4 contracts with Petrobras, valued at over $300 million, using Sikorsky S-92 helicopters for offshore operations. eVTOLs and Volatus have merged to lead the urban air mobility sector, combining dual-use charging tech and airspace management to accelerate eVTOL adoption in cities. Jekta signed a deal with Solu for 30 amphibious aircraft, bringing commitments to over $1 billion. The Phase 100 will boost regional air mobility with zero emissions and low operating costs. To learn more, follow us now on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.